Hello and welcome to Ionic 3 apps for WooCommerce. In this video, I am going to introduce you to Ionic 3. So what is Ionic 3? Ionic 3 is the major update on Ionic 2. It uses the latest version of Angular, which is Angular 4. All apps onwards Ionic 2 are built with TypeScript, which stands true for Ionic 3 as well. The code that we write in Ionic is compiled down from TypeScript to JavaScript code, which our current browsers can understand. So to build Ionic 1 apps, you had to use HTML, CSS and JavaScript, but to build Ionic 2 and 3 apps, you have to use HTML, SCSS and TypeScript. The TypeScript code is compiled down to the JavaScript code. The SCSS code is compiled to corresponding CSS code. Ionic uses Cordova to wrap up your web app that you have built with the web technologies into a native mobile application. So all you have to do is write your code using HTML, SCSS and TypeScript, and you will get 3 different apps for Android, iOS and Windows Phone. So in the next video, we will get started with installing Ionic, and along with that we'll need Cordova, so we'll install that as well.